Hello everyone. Today we'll be seeing how to create a demo company in Sage Evolution application. So firstly, we need to open the Sage Evolution. Whenever you'll be clicking on the Sage Evolution icon, you will be seeing basically a login screen from where you can able to open any company if you're having any of the company in the company database section. But as we are not having any company, we need to create a new company by clicking on the new icon button here. So after selecting the new icon, you'll be seeing like you have to choose any one of the country or the region. So you can choose any one of the country, whichever you are in. Okay, so here it's asking the SQL server and the database. Here the SQL server name, we need to enter same exactly whatever we'll be seeing in our SQL Studio server management. So here you will be seeing the server name, and the same server name you need to copy and paste in your SQL server name in Sage Evolution. And here we need to select the use SQL server authentication. And the same login and password we need to enter whatever we have used in our Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, and we need to give our new company name, which company we want to create. As the same company name we can give here as company ABC, let's say for an example. And for rest of the things, admin password, you can leave it as it is, or if you want to change the password, you can change it here, or in the later stages also you can able to change the password. Then by clicking on next, you'll be seeing, okay, it's gave me a pop-up message like this company already exists. No problem, we can change the name as XYZ. Okay, then click on next. And it's asking about the common database, like we need to use the common database on the same server, or we need to use the common database using the SQL server. So we'll be unchecking the use common database on same server, and we need to link our database with that of the SQL server, because as all the database of Sage Evolution will be storing its database in SQL Server Management Studio. So here it's asking me SQL server name, and the same SQL server name we need to enter what we are seeing in our Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. And then we need to select the use SQL Server authentication and to connect our Sage Evolution with that of SQL Server Management Studio by entering the login name and the password. And the common name, like the SQL database common name, we need to select as Sage Common by default. And click on next. It's asking me like common database found on the specified server. You want to create new one? I say yes to it. And then it's asking me like what all the tables you want to create as a new one. You need to select all the tables. So we need to select each of the table, whichever is showing me under common table. And then click on finish. Then it's under the process of creating the database for our new company under SQL Server Studio. So now after having our database created, it's taking me to the Sage Evolution registration box. Here they are welcoming us like with the registration wizard, and we have to click on next. And we again need to enter the company name, which we have entered in the Sage Evolution database name. as company XYZ, the same company name. And here it's asking me whether you have to take the license type as the license one or the demo one. So like now we are not having the license key. In the later stages after getting the license key, I will be showing you how to activate your licensed Sage Evolution. For now, we'll be creating a demo company as a demo database. So we need to click on Demo Sage 200 and then click on Next. Click on Finish. And here it's the branch accounting. As you know, like Sage Evolution will also be supporting the branch accounting also. If we are having the branch offices, we can able to easily use the Sage Evolution with that. In the later videos, we'll be seeing the same, the uses of branch accounting, how we can use using our Sage Evolution application. So now the company which we have created is our head office. So we'll be selecting the head office and click on next. Here we can able to specify the name of the company and the address and the telephone, email ID. So you can able to provide all the details if you want to enter all the details. Otherwise, you can skip it. Click on next. And here it's very important, you need to enter your closing date for the current financial year. Like you can enter the closing date as 31st December 2022. And the financial year, new financial year will be the year 2. You have to leave it as it is and click on next. And here it will be showing us the general ledger account structures. They will be using the standard structure for general ledger, and the tax processing method will be using as normal tax. Leave it same as it is and click on next. And the default chart of accounts. Here we are having the options like we can able to select the character chart of accounts or the numeric chart of accounts. Like for character chart of accounts, we will not be having any of the code related with any of the chart of accounts. If we select the numeric chart of accounts, we'll be having the code along with the name of the chart of account. And so you can see the list. So here is showing me the chart of accounts related to general. And we're having the different types of chart of accounts we can able to create depending upon the type of the company we are creating, like the wholesale, agriculture, retail, real estate, any of the company, whichever type of company you need to create, you can able to select the types of the chart of accounts. So for now, I'll be going with only default accounts because after opening my company, I will be able to add my specific chart of accounts that needs to be added by myself after creating our company. So click on next. And then here it's asking me the login security. You want to enable the login security. You can leave it that is it and click on next. And then you need to create on create for confirming to create our new database. Click on create button. Here, after a couple of minutes, we'll be seeing our database will be created and we'll be able to log into our company. So here we have done with the creating the database and it's asking us the Freedom Service setup. We'll be seeing the more detailed video about this, the free seed service, Freedom Service setup in our later videos. And here we have to leave it as it is and click on finish button. So you can see the company has been created as the name of company XYZ. And as we have registered our company under the demo version, so it's asking me the demo, it's showing me the demo period will expire in 30 days. As the demo period will only be for 30 days and within 30 days or after 30 days, we need to enter our license key. I'll be showing you the process of the license key, how to enter and from where we have to choose and enter the license key to have the licensed version of our Sage Evolution. So for now, we'll be selecting the later. And after a couple of minutes, it will be showing us the main screen of the Sage Evolution application. After loading all its system tree and loading our database and registering our database in SQL Management Studio and the Sage Evolution application. So here our company has been created with the name of company XYZ, and you can see the home screen of Sage 200 Evolution as like this, and you can able to select from the top screen whatever options you want to select, and same options you'll be finding in your left hand side. So today we have learned about creating a new company in Sage 200 Evolution, and let's see the most interesting topics in our next videos on Sage Evolution. Thank you for watching.